when you break up with somebody, they get this kind of fine where she go just define, post breakup fine, post breakup beauty. Okay, just now chat like this. When you did one kind glory, one thing like that, we could just overshadow the girl every time when you see him. You can't say hell. How I wish if to say I know. You know how they used to say? I think it's an opportunity cost in economics, right? When you forgo one thing for the other. And then after forgoing, you now have buyer's remorse. You say, if to say, no, I forbuy the other one, that kind of thing. Yeah, so I think that's the closest thing he's talking about. Man. So for him, long distance relationships help him to, not suffer much like that. Let's take this call. Hello. Hello. Hello, can you hear me? You can hear me, or I'll have to let you go right now. Thank you so much for calling. Thank you. I had to let you go right now. I couldn't hear anything, so I just want to help you save my airtime. Okay? Alright, I'll take this other call and then I'll read out messages. Meanwhile, I'm not alone in the building. Hello. Hi, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, Daddy. I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, this is Mommy Radio calling you from our auntie.
Good, I better go. Our panty. What does it mean? What does it mean? Like stubborn or hard hearing?
Stubborn people.
Hard hearing.
Ewo. Wow. Chai. And I have some good people that stay around that side though. So I don't understand.
Never mind. The only thing is that if you are driving along that Ababa from Tentacle.
No, I can't. I can't. I can't.
You mention that your brakes is intact because people will be jamming your car.
It's true. Crazy stuff. Alright. Good to have you here. Welcome. Alright. So tell me, long distance or not?
Long distance, I'm dead into
Ew. Ew.
Before as I'm speaking with you, I don't even know whether I'm still in a relationship or not.
I think you've told me something like this before. I don't know.
I've told you before.
Mm-hmm.
The guy in the USA, you understand?
Uh-huh.
But for me, I don't know whether I'm still waiting or not.
Ew.
What I mean, I don't like long distance relationship. I don't like it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It doesn't work for me. There are some people that it works for.
Yes.
Something like relationship or marriage, it does not have formula. It's not what works for me.
That work for another person. That's true.
For me, I've been praying for God to give me somebody that if I want to see the person once a week, I will. If I want to time I will. Not 1 year, 2 years, 3 years.
No. I feel you. Okay. I feel you. Alright.
Something I don't like. It doesn't work for me. I don't like it.
Okay. Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you. Alright now. Stay blessed. Ego B. Ego B. Okay. There you have it. Okay, beautiful people. That was Mommy Radio. Please hold on with the calls. Hold on. I want to read out messages. Please hold on with the calls now. Biko. Hold on with the calls. So I was reading this message before, right? So where's it? Yes. So this is from Chidebere from Tinker's Corner. She said, "Hi Chinonso, good afternoon. How are you doing today?" I'm fine. Then she says, "I don't like long distance relationships because I love getting attention. Even if my man has to tease me every day, I wouldn't mind." I'm Chidebere texting from Tinker's Corner. Alright, Chidebere. Then 3 more messages and then I would let you know who I am here with. Okay, so this says, "Hi, Nonny Boy." The name's just the drop. "Hi, Nonny Boy. How are you?" "I'm fine." He says, "It's Emanuela from Agbani." "Hello, Emanuela. How are you doing?" He says, "I prefer long distance relationships. It improves communication and trust and also value for each other." Alright, okay. Okay. Then I got this other one saying, "Good afternoon, Chinonso. Hi, Chinonso. Excel here. Uchenna, I am rooting for you too. Well done." Yeah, Excel. Happy rooting. Stay one place, Joe. You'll be rooting for everybody. And you're rooting for people that like long distance relationship. Excel. Excel. Excel, when does I call your name? Okay. Okay, I got this one saying, good afternoon, Brother Chinon. So, good afternoon. Say, how's your day going? And I hope you're good. I am, thank you. Then you say, to me, I prefer long distance relationships. Why? Because the communication will be strong and also respect will be there. You understand? And then she also says, let me see. She also says, yeah. She also says, respect will be there. And lastly, see finish, no go enter. So whenever we like to see each other, we will talk and create time for that. This is Favor from New Haven. Okay, Favor. Okay, I got this one saying, I'm not laughing at you. Hey, hey. I got this one, I'm just happy. I got this one saying, hey, hey. Okay, so Faith. You remember when Faith says, my friend calls me all the time. Not only that, once I'm going out, he will ask me to take a shot and send to him. Okay, he will tell you to spam him with your pictures, Abby. And she now goes on to say, but once he's in town, and also that please send the remnant, yes, the remaining part of the message. Then she now said, it's me, Faith. What he used to do when he's in town, he will ask me to go and pick something somewhere. See, Bia Faith, stop teasing me, or stop teasing all of us. Drop the entire gist. You dey drop one half. Faith, he will ask you to go and pick something somewhere. What will not happen when you go there? Where is the somewhere? Bia, still want to play so. Faith. Alright now, beautiful people. I told you something earlier on the show today that at around 1:30 p.m. I was going to tell you about stuff, right? Different persons have been divided over this particular thing. It's from this movie, Love in Every Word, that has been trending for like, I don't know, only girls knows when. Okay, let's say since last week, right? Yes, I think Wednesday or something like that. It's been trending. I know some of you have seen it. I know some of you may not have seen it. Am I promoting the movie? No, I'm not. I'm just trying to factor in, conversation that's ongoing, right? And also to find out your own take on the, the things that are going up and down. And I've got Auntie Chino also here in the building. Say hello.
They won't
say hello.
Hello. Okay, sorry. Hello.
Wow. This life.
Even God enough, you don't have to bring the Igbo, some Igbo vibes, touch,
You don't
carry a little there and here. And you're one there, but you're there, but you're not happy. So how are you, Chino? So Desi, Daddy, it's good to see you today.
Hey, God, I beg you. It's good to see you too.
Thank you for having me on Volt Express.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you, as always.
You're looking takeaway.
Oh.
Can I take you away?
Yes.
I can take you away.
Yes, you can.
Can you fit in my pocket? I was joking.
Suitcase. That one that used to carry bag, money bag. You know that money bag now, money suitcase bag. You understand that kind of suitcase.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you too for being here. So tell me, Yes. Tell me, what have you give in one word? I want you to summarize what you have heard about. No, wait first. Before we talk about it, tell me what you feel.
I'm waiting.
Before we go there, tell me what you feel. Long distance relationship, yes or no?
Yes and no.
Yes and no.
No. Yes.
Nice. Okay, yes. Go for yes.
Depending on the individuals.
Okay, and no.
Not for lazy people.
I think it summarizes it.
Yes.
But can you explain more?
Yes.
Just a little bit.
Yes. For some people is you have to have time, you have to have the money. Right? The time I mean is, in a distant relationship, the person might want to be calling you all the time. So you might even be suggested or have the idea to go and buy a earpod or earpiece because you might be working and he wants to talk to you or she wants to talk to you and you cannot say no. And I always talk about communication being the key to any relationship, especially if it's going to lead to marriage. So it's very important that if you are in a very long distance relationship, When I mean long, I mean like mommy radios on US.
Overseas.
You have to be patient and you have to have time, because their time and your time are not the same. So in the case where you're in Nigeria, your time is the same. So you always want to be talking on the phone. It's either you or him or her or you, understand. So when it comes to the other part of the other person, the laziness. If you don't have odogwu pararara, I'm sorry to say this, but forget it.
Odogwu parara.
Yes, odogwu can fly in, come and see you, a little gift here, a little gift there, keeping the heart warm and fonder. There are certain things you do in your distant relationship for the next party to know that, babe, even though we are far away from each other, we are still in this together. Yes, no matter what. You understand? So even if you don't talk to the person, you're making arrangements to buy gifts and make it up to the person. Hey, babe, I have not been able to talk to you, but I hope this gift reminds you that no matter how much I love you, no matter how far we are from each other, no matter how long it takes me to call you, know that I'm there for you. So it's not for lazy people. If you're not ready to work, you need money in this relationship. No, yes, I'm telling you, because there are some times when the other party is not here and you need some help. You need financial help. You understand? And he's not able to run. You should be able to stand for yourself. And for the fact that you don't even know if he has the money or not, you're just guessing, oh, maybe he doesn't have, maybe he has, and he has something to do with the money. You have to be able to stand for it. But if your partner is close to you, he has, he doesn't have,
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So you'll be able to know when to encroach into his pockets and when not.
All of you that want to start encroaching into people's pockets, make sure that you actually, you're a stakeholder. If you're not a stakeholder, you're just gonna encroach.
No, now you should know how long you are in a relationship before you start encroaching into each other's pockets. Okay. You understand? So it's very important.
Okay.
So you have to be patient too. Distant relationship. Patience.
Encroachers. Cockroaches. You know how it sounds? Encroach into somebody's pockets.
I'm sorry.
No.
I
I don't have an issue with it. Like she said, you need to know how far you've been, how much invested you are.
How long you have been in that relationship. Even before you start making demands. Yes.
All right, our beautiful people. So I've got this one saying, welcome Auntie China. So I love your voice.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, then she says, please take your flowers.
Oh, give it to me.
Collect it.
I have it already.
Then she now comes to beg. She says, but please, we are Gen Z's. Easy with the Igbo. Oh man, Gen Z's that.
Gen Z's are you guys not okay? Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's a mix.
I'm going to mix it. Yes, I told you people I can't make a full sentence without adding Igbo. That's why I'm anti ODENIGBO.
Hey,
I'm sorry.
Come on. Okay, so I've got a question for you. Thank you very much for that one. Thank you for your take on that one.
Thank you.
Since Chinazo is joining me, you're wondering why is she joining? Well, she's joining because she has a lot. And let me tell you, Auntie Chinazo is a lover girl. Don't tell her that I told you. Don't tell her that I told you. She's a lover girl. Okay, leave it like that. Maybe you don't know this part about her, but I've told you now, just so you know. Okay, so, and that's why she is fit and proper, you understand, worthy in character and in learning and in all forms of whatever to be here. She's an expert in this thing.
Hey.
Okay, wait. So, Odogwu Parara and all sorts of things have been happening. Bam Bam and Teddy A, they made kind of like a comeback into the limelight. You see, I'm not telling you say she be lover girl.
That these are the best couples BBN gave to us. Every other one they escort them come on.
Okay.
Bam Bam and Teddy A. You need to see those two. Okay. You know, so I see the look on my face.
I see it. That's the loved up look. Okay. It's well.
That bad boy church girl vibes. This one is the daughter of a deacon, and this one is a bad boy with all tattoos and the intonation and all the flair.
So some of them come together.
Oh, good match. Just, blended.
Bread and butter.
Interwove each other.
Hey. Okay. All right. So. Well, Bam Bam was, I think she played a role in that movie, loving every word. Then there's this guy, his name is Uzo.
Uzo Arukwe.
That guy.
With that dimple by his nose.
Yeah, he has is it a dimple?
Oh, birthmark.
Kind of like this mole. But
That is not mole, please.
But he's fine. He said it. He says it that he.
But it's birthmark. Na follow come now. I mean,
It's,
after he done born.
it's a mole now.
Was it after he was born that thing came out?
Yeah, I don't know. I saw an interview and he was like, "Yeah, I have a mole on my face."
Please, it's
but
a
it's just
birthmark
small.
for us that are crushing on you, okay? Don't worry. I am Maka mole.
Okay, sorry. He does not have a mole. He has a birthmark on his face, and the birthmark makes him fine. Oh, okay. Oh.
Yes.
You see, in this life, pray for people to like you. Once they like you,
Any nonsense you do, it's okay.
it's okay.
We accept it.
Just the way you are. So that's just it. And the guy, he had a very impressive performance. He's actually skilled at interpreting roles given to him. He brings them to life in a very unique way. I loved his role in Tribe Called Judah.
Yes.
By Funke
Oh,
Akindele.
that Igbo man that had business.
Exactly.
You know.
When he was telling this guy,
Amaka, sir? Yeah?
Yeah, when he told him that,
What is
thing,
it?
that's like,
Yes.
yeah,
Do you want to attack me?
Naked
No, sir.
shish.
Yeah.
Then why?
Grown man like you, Abi said young boy like you.
Are you
Cannot
he's
like
good?
him.
Ordinary
No,
roll
Don't for a boy like you, don't know that you use long. You know, share Ebenil.
Your head.
ever. I actually like him that one. I like him in a couple of others. Like I think
Yeah.
one other one
There's
with
another movie.
Nancy Sim a long time ago.
Okay, there's a movie he did with Bimbo Ademoye.
Okay.
He's a very bad boy in the movie. You know,
Interesting.
it's just their life in real life reflecting in the movie. They're actors, they're trying to tell you what people do, especially you guys are together and you guys are doing the same thing.
Makes sense.
You know, the competition in the movie industry, how it affects how one is selfish and one is selfless. So he
Okay.
became the selfish one in the movie.
Without picking my calls or returning my text, and you're going to walk in with an attitude by 12 midnight asking for an apology?
Action, reaction.
So, you know, he's a good boy, he's a bad boy, and he knows how to play out his role
He
very
really
well.
does. So speaking of playing roles very well, Omoni Oboli,
Who is a good caster too.
she is.
She
as a
did
matter
very
of
all
fact.
her movies. She's doing well in her movies.
Yeah, so she casted him, to be in this movie called Love in Every Word.
Odogwu Biora.
Yes,
You know,
and,
I can't forget his name. Odogwu Biora.
He's a cute now. So in that movie, he plays the role of an established businessman, of course, of Igbo descent, who has who knows what he wants and he goes for it, and he also has the capability, and capacity of spoiling, like literally spoiling, and then buying up things just to prove his love for this woman. And on the other hand, the person who he's actually going after is not a in quote liability. She's not a liability, right? She's
established
an
too.
independent woman, career woman who's doing her thing, right? So he what's the word now, identifies her and then tries to go after her, and of course she puts up the wall of defense just to vet him a little bit, to find out his true intentions. As they go on, I'm trying not to spoil the movie for you.
No,
so
I
I'm just
think a
trying to
lot
give
of
you,
us have already watched the
but there are
movie.
people that have not watched it now.
And that's why we are going to tell them now.
No, not
We're not the one that
spoiling for
send
them.
you not to go and watch it.
No, guys, wait now.
The
Wait
movie
now.
is almost 1 week.
Almost. There are
Nice.
movies. There are movies that for 4 years now they have not still watched. Let's leave it for them. So long story short, we're giving you overview, 40,000 feet above sea level.
Ha.
Overview. That's what we're doing now.
We're doing overview and preview. I'm sorry.
Wow, please be nice. So, the thing now is that different persons have actually commented on the impact of his role in the lives of people right now. I mean reality, because there's one thing to act a movie, there's another thing to face reality, right? And we cannot deny the fact that the Nollywood and the filmmaking industry has very, 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 very significant impact in the lives of people, right? Just as social media, we are products of what we consume, and our actions will ultimately be determined by whatsoever we feed our minds with. Now, persons are commenting and saying that the role he played there is not that good, though.
Not good.
That he should have toned it down.
Not
some
good or not realistic.
a particular school of thought is saying that that it's not really realistic. It's a facade. Like it's
That it
no,
cannot happen.
Yeah, one group is saying this that Baba, the role that you played is not really the best. You shouldn't have really done it like that because see now the thing they create wahala for boys, young boys, putting people under
we feel for
pressure.
you.
That's what one group is saying. Another group is saying that the person who even created that script, right, is not Igbo, and she didn't really reflect the true Igbo what's the word, identity of an odogwu. That odogwu Obiora is in fact not a real Igbo odogwu in reality. Now, another group is saying, Oga, you that feel like this thing is what, if you feel like they didn't really do a good job there, how about you go and create your own movie,
Your own masterpiece.
And leave them alone. Which category do you fall into? None. And there is this final group, and these groups are saying it's just that, is Hallelujah Challenge still on?
No.
Okay, thank God. It's just that Hallelujah Challenge. Why did I say thank God as if I was praying for it to end? No, get me. Like, assuming Hallelujah Challenge was still on, I'm sure that by now we would have seen 1 or 2 or 3 prayer points that they would have dropped in the comment section saying, God, can you send me my own Odogwu Obiora? I am sure. I'll tell you, but NSPPD is still on, but
Always
good.
Always on.
At least I got some links today. All of now when they share me links is well with your soul. So yeah, so I'm sure that there are people. There's this category of persons, people. You know yourselves. That your prayer now is God, send me my own Odogwu Obiora. And there is still this category that I belong in, and that category is saying, if you finish fantasizing,
go back to your nonchalant boyfriend.
no, I did not say your boyfriend is nonchalant, but if you finish dreaming,
please
wake up and face reality. Go and work.
Well, please, it's not even about working. We have a lot of people who are working, a lot of girls who are doing well, but they are never lucky. They are never lucky.
Okay.
You understand? With men and with love. Yes, there are a lot of them. And see, let me tell you, you're not doing anything wrong. The truth is that this life, no balance.
Finally,
no balance.
If you check them,
Yes, so you just need to keep praying, keep working hard, that anything close to Odogwu Obiora should come. Just let the person love you. People love in different ways. People love. See, love can never be the same. It's not the same way Chin also gives to his babe.
So you
that I will give to my babe. Like our love languages are different.
Okay.
You understand? But let's go back to the movie, right? Now we have 2 people who are doing well. Not everybody gets to get that kind of love.
True, sure.
Yes. 2 people are doing well. And before Obiora came to the girl, he never knew whether this girl was working well. Because from the movie, from when he entered, the girl cited him first. I was like admiring him, you get?
The presence.
He was admiring Uzaru, that's Obiora.
Yes.
Before Obiora now turned and saw her too, and he was also admiring him. Admiring her. Yeah, so, and the mom, Chioma's mom, that's Bam Bam's mom, had already set Obiora as one of the single men she was going to introduce to the daughter. You know, because the mom knows about Bam Bam's boyfriend who used to collect money from her.
Okay.
She's the one that does everything the man is supposed to do in the relationship, and she's comfortable because of her father. And initially when I was watching the movie and I heard he's not my spec, he's not my type, and I was wondering, I looked at Uzo as not being your type. Hello, Sister Chioma, are you okay? He was later in the movie, and I realized that what she meant is that Obiora, what she meant by Obiora not being her type is she has always been the one giving boys. She has never met an established man who was spending money on her. She has never met someone who wants to do everything he can just to be with her.
To take care of her and protect her.
Yeah, she has never seen somebody who sits down and tell her, Nne, don't just keep talking. I want to watch you talk.
Away.
Yeah, she has always been the one to take the men to dinner, spend her money, do the questioning, do the asking, doing the transfers, paying all the bills and everything.
Yeah.
So when Obiora came into her life, she was confused.
So it's like culture shock. Something
Yes,
she's not used to.
yes,
I
and
feel you.
you know that moment where you have to withdraw and be like, "Is this happening? Wait till this guy they fight for my hand."
Okay, he seems too good to be true.
Too good to be true. Wait till I do. Wait till I be. When you say, I mean, this guy will fly from Anambra down to Lagos in a heartbeat just because I'm not picking his calls. Yes.
Levels.
See, just because you have not been there doesn't mean people are not there.
It doesn't mean it doesn't happen. True.
Yes, it happens. Ministers are marrying ministers' daughter. Do you know how they play out their love?
That's true.
There is money.
There is actually
So
money.
just because you're not there, or you've never been there, you've never experienced it, doesn't mean it doesn't happen. Some of these movies we watch are reflections of people's lives.
Actually.
Yeah, it is. Now, if I tell you the categories, your friends can never be the same with you. Okay, she has this group of friends, the lawyer and the other girl. When the first boyfriend that used to collect and investing and squandering her money, that she gave a slap at the beginning of the movie. When that guy, when the guy came back to collect more money because the investment she gave him money to make failed.
Yeah.
He came back to collect how many dollars?
$2,000 or so.
Now watch somebody that doesn't have sense, a man that doesn't have sense. Babe, you know this money is nothing. I know you can do it. Just give me the money now. So, coming from a man.
That in itself is emotional blackmail.
Apart from
and
emotional,
gaslighting.
When you start giving men that kind of hand, they feel you can't do without them. They start feeling too entitled.
That's a person who has what's called entitlement.
Yes.
An entitled mentality.
Yes, exactly.
True. Yeah.
So she wanted to send him out and be like, no. You see these things you're wearing? I got it for you. Start removing them.
So
it's not to punish the girl, but that money that you lost, I have to find a way to get it back.
Retain, yeah.
You understand?
I feel you.
So when all these things are happening, I hear a lot of people say, this is not realistic, this is not happening, this cannot happen. I am telling you squarely, it can happen. It they happen. Just because you've never heard, because you've never been there, because it has never happened to you, you're not a witness and you're not even the person experiencing it, doesn't mean it has not happened or it's not happening somewhere. Yes, people are really in love. People, they do love things, so people's love are being reciprocated every day.
Yes.
Yes.
Love, people get money.
Yes,
People get money.
Okay. All
People
right.
have
money.
Let me tell you, I said that thing. The girl never demanded because she doesn't have need for money.
Yeah, actually.
Where she has need, like your demand comes with how much you make. She's making 700,000 naira, and on a very bad day when her market is not going well, she's making 1.8 million a month from her perfume. That kind of person cannot be looking for 1 million naira in your hand. She has 1 million, so she doesn't have need. So what Odogwu Obiora does is send her gifts, fly from wherever he is to down to where she is, take her to dinner, cook dinner for that kind of person. Don't need your money.
Actually.
So when people think a woman cannot ask for money, it's because she has it, or maybe she doesn't want to bother you. Not like she has it. Some people who have it don't need it. What they need are those gifts.
So acts of kindness.
Act of showing that you're generous.
Yeah.
It's not even like
Yeah.
You're just showing that a man is generous.
Fonts of affirmation.
Yeah.
Fonts of
Funds.
affirmation.
And you see, she didn't reject gift though. If you remember, I think there was someone that sent her a gift, a perfume, and she was so happy when she opened it and saw where it came from. She called her secretary and be like,
Send it back.
no, I dash you.
Okay.
She doesn't have a need to call the person. Like when you're done with a relationship, you don't need to start. Even if you send me a house, I don't go call you. My own is to give it to somebody, because I don't want both of us to start having one come and collect your gift. We'll start going to back and forth and all that. She called the secretary, gave her the perfume. When Odogwu, they had issue. Look at somebody. Like I watch you people. There are some things that are in between the lines in the movie. When they were quarreling, Odogwu wanted to collect what he brought. He said, no, you should bring that one. She collected the gifts. Odogwu, there was a time he was calling. The girl was confused. I don't want to be there with you. All those stuff now, all those withdrawal. So Odogwu brought a gift to her. She wanted to take it back. Odogwu wanted to carry it and go. She said, no, give me the gift. It means also that whatever Odogwu is giving her, because she loves Odogwu, she's collecting it.
Makes sense. Okay.
Yes, just because she's not collecting money doesn't mean she cannot collect gifts.
I feel
She has never asked for money. And I know if she asked for money, and the very day she sat down to ask Odogwu for money to invest in her perfume. Okay, she did not even ask. Odogwu was the one that suggested. She said, no, I don't want to collect your money. No. Odogwu insisted. That is how that is how you know people who love you.
Okay.
Who are genuine.
Okay, so thank you very much for all these things. I said you should not spoil the movie, but yeah.
I am spoiling it. That movie is so good. I'm so spoiling it. I'm so sorry.
I promise each and every one of you a 40,000 feet above sea level overview of the movie. But then she's just going 2 steps deeper, another 2 steps deeper. But either ways, it's all good, beautiful people. Okay, so now, one of the reactions. By the way, I see a lot of messages are coming here and they are saying hello to you.
Hi.
Yeah, Tantalizing here is saying hello. Yeah. Tantalizing is saying hello. Excel is saying, why didn't we go live today now? Then Favor the lawyer is saying hello to my lovely auntie there. She's saying hello to you.
Hi.
Then I got this other one saying, hi Chino, so please greet my auntie Chinazo for me. Hats off to her. She said it all. Chidebere texting from Tinker's Corner.
Thank you so much, Chidebere.
Lover girl to lover girl.
You know, we understand ourselves. The love language is there.
Okay, then this other one. Good afternoon, Auntie Chinazo. Welcome to the show. It's me, Mommy Radio.
Oh,
Yay.
thank you.
All right, beautiful people. So now let's talk about some effects of this movie on relationships.
Oh no, don't call me that social media.
No, I'm not talking about social media. I said relationships.
Okay.
Of course, social media affects relationships.
That's what I'm saying.
So there are persons now who finish watching the movie and then I start looking at their partner with one wicked
Are you
eye.
looking at your partner? Can your partner fly?
Odogwu boo boo.
Oh no! Odogwu Obiora. Can he fly?
Wait.
You know how much it takes to conclude today I want to fly and come to Enugu from Lagos.
Or business or economy, which one?
Come also Even if it's business, economy.
Economy is not even, it's not how I say easy to come by now.
That's what I'm saying.
I feel you.
It's not
So now people are setting what's the word now? Unrealistic expectations now. Now, of course, in every venture, there's supposed to be expectation management. You're going into something and you're saying, okay, this is what I have in mind. This is what I should be expecting from my partner, depending on his current level in society right now. Then after watching this movie, some persons can actually be tempted to start reconsidering
their partners.
Yes, one, and also to start checkmating and start reevaluating to say, am I really
in the right relationship? Please, you're not. I'm sorry.
Wait now, I'm coming somewhere.
No, if you start having second guessing your relationship, I'm sorry, you're not.
Right?
Yes, I watched the movie, I made an analysis. That doesn't mean my Odogwu is an Odogwu Pararara.
Okay.
I just agreed with the movie because it is something that happens.
I feel you.
It happens.
Okay, so my question now is, of course, the results will start playing out after a matter of, and February 14th was not really
Result of what?
The result of these reevaluations, they show for action.
Yes, there are people, a lot of people who are influenced by what they read or what they watch.
So some persons now are going back to say, Sweetin Odogwu Obiora do for this girl. On Valentine's Day, what did my boy even get for me again? What did that useless boy buy for me again?
Wait,
I'm going somewhere.
Sorry to cut you short, but I have to come in here.
Wait now.
No, wait now. Let's look at Chioma and the Odogwu.
Wait now.
Sorry to cut you short.
Get my angle.
Now. Okay. I want to analyze something with you. I want us to agree on something. Chioma is very respectful.
Of course, that's not.
See, there is nothing that pays a man or that makes a man happy that wants to. He cannot do anything. There's nothing he cannot do for a woman who respects, who adores, and who welcomes his opinion. Do you understand? So if you are thinking, what did my Oga do for me? What have you been doing for your Oga? you don't need to give gifts. You don't need to give a man a gift for a man to go extra mile for you. Do you understand? You need to respect a man. From the day one, from the point where Chioma was outside, we are analyzing the movie. We are using the movie now. You understand? From the point where Obiora met her outside hiding and trying to work on her laptop, she has been respectful. Do you understand?
I feel you.
So if people are asking, what did my odogwu, your odogwu, what did he do? Please, what have you been doing? It doesn't have to be material things. Have you been respectful? Have you been submissive?
Definitely.
Have you been
Definitely.
good? Have you been a good girl? Like when he looks at you, he'll be like, oh, this is a very good girl that I want to marry.
Good girl. Okay.
Respect first now. Before you
I feel
talk about
you,
something,
Sha.
what are you looking for in a man's pocket when you cannot give ordinary respect?
Okay, nice. So we both agree on this. Of course, we did not disagree in the first place. So I was
Yeah.
trying to get where you're coming from.
Okay.
No, so okay, I was going to say that the effect of these reevaluations will start showing itself from the way people relate with each other in relationships right now. They might start carrying face. Someone can finish watching that thing and start carrying face, unnecessary face, for the man. I mean, like, the man will say something like, "I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Nothing. Leave me alone. I just want to be alone." That's when you know that
It's the movie.
there's something. No, you might not even know what happened because you might not have seen it with her. You might just be like, there's something wrong. Baby, how fun? What happened? Stuff like that.
Okay.
We're still talking about the movie, right?
Everything we're talking about is from the movie.
And
There's
this
nothing we're
girl
talking
now
about.
in real life, because it happened in those things we
Half-
watch the
half
movie
of the
in
real
real
life.
life. Now somebody in her relationship is trying to persecute the boyfriend or the husband for not being what Obiora was in the movie.
For not being Odogwu Parara.
Or biko ka njukwa gị ego one ka di gị nwe ego one ka enyi gị nwoke nwe. Or let me just say, maybe he has money and he's not doing what you think he should do. He's not showing half the generosity that Odogwu Pararara showed in the movie. But then you must ask yourself, what is either you are married to a stingy man or you did something wrong.
I beg, shall we talk about the effect of the movie?
Yes.
On
now what
people
will they
in
talk?
their relationship.
Because of interpretation.
Now what you carry me cup? You watch
Because of-
Spider-Man.
because of
you
interpretation.
watch Spider-Man.
Of course.
You watch Matrix. You get when you cover your face, can't fly from the window of your house.
No, let's be
Actually,
realistic.
Did you try? No.
Actually, I tried.
Did you try it?
I tried.
Did you try
but
it?
I know jump.
Okay, you not really
I
jump.
do things I do.
You know, so does it in his head.
Okay, you not really jump.
Imagination, what would
Okay.
you?
You don't want me where to
You
jump.
watch Matrix. You watch Matrix, Abi. Make I think another one. Okay, where the people were watched Shanty Town? Did you watch Shanty
Yeah,
Town?
no, not yet.
Yeah.
I've not
Okay,
seen it.
did you watch what's the other
Ghetto
one? The
Boys.
King of Boys.
The
Did you
King
watch
of
The King
Boys.
of Boys?
Yeah.
Okay, so did we ever ask ourselves what we learned from those words? I mean, did we go out in the streets and find guns and
And start
acting
fighting.
certain way?
Actually.
If
no.
NEPA people come
Okay,
to your
so-
street, you go and carry
Chase them
bottle
out.
and carry knife. And be like, hey, na my area, na my area.
First
you
of
know.
all, the movie that we're discussing is a romantic comedy. It's called the romantic comedy.
That movie
for
is not a comedy.
It is a comedy.
No, I'm sorry, I watched it.
My
I didn't-
sister, the people
The
that
only-
wrote the movie actually told you the genre of the movie. The genre of the movie is a romantic comedy.
It's romantic, but I didn't see the comedy.
No, it was comedy. What Odogwu
I
Pararara
swear.
was doing, that's comedy.
No,
Out
I'm
of my
sorry. That
one
means
of
I
the-
have a lot of comedians in my life.
No,
If
my
that's the
sister, you
case.
better. It's read it.
Businessmen
It's
who
an
are
English
comedians.
language, my dear.
You
Whether
should
you
chill.
don't
You
like
should
the
chill.
explanation
And
of
I
it,
keep seeing
but the
people-
truth is that it's a
I
comedy.
keep seeing
It's a
people say
comedy.
it's comedy movie, and I've watched that movie twice, and I'm
Sweetie,
trying
you might not
to-
have found it funny, but the movie is a comedy movie. It's called the romantic comedy. It's not the Osofia kind. It's the romantic
No,
kind.
I
The
am
kind that
saying-
makes you
I am
emotional.
not saying it's
It
not
makes you
romantic.
emotional, but it's funny. That's the idea.
Okay.
So that's why they
so-
call it a romantic
Okay.
comedy.
I get your point.
Yeah.
And it's fact. It's romantic comedy. But I also need to chip in this. Comedy. It's comedy sometimes. It's actually some other person's reality.
You know, I find
So
yes.
so distinguishing that
The
fine
two.
line between
This and that. The comedy and the
make believe and their
Yeah.
reality
Yeah.
will be quite of
So in
kind of a
all
hassle
of these
for them.
our intelligence, and we're able to define these things.
Yeah.
You're saying that my husband, who teaches in the secondary school, right?
Yeah.
After watching Omoni Oboli's movie featuring Bam Bam and Uzo,
Uzo.
yeah, I will not come back and tell my lecturer husband in high school that he needs to start purchasing me gifts of 30-something million. Come on, let's be realistic for a
That would
moment.
be- that would
Please
be
laugh and
unreasonable.
move on. What are you
That would be
talking about?
unreasonable.
No,
What
the
we're
issue
learning
is that
you.
that's why I said it depends on who your husband is. You don't expect your husband or your boyfriend. Let's say, I thought, I was feeling that your topic today was from the movie because it's a distant relationship. That was a distant relationship. But because the man has money, it wasn't so distant. And he had investments in the States, it wasn't so distant. So if your husband has little money, or your man has little money, let him go and buy you 2,000 naira perfume. It's still gesture. Except you're selfish and you're trying to be in denial that you don't know what your man
if we watch
is
the
doing.
movie finish, we go wake the man up for middle of the night.
Say,
Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir.
See what your mate is
Excuse
doing.
me, sir. Did you watch the movie that I watched with you
Come and
last
see what your
night?
mate is doing.
Did you see if my odogwu boo boo
No,
is
but
doing for his
maybe
babe?
see, man, when maybe that thing, but not man I didn't is but a big investor. Not a very big man, but I didn't man for the money. So I didn't have a business they make this kind of spending. You understand? I'm gonna go shop with my girlfriend, coincidentally, oh meet Mudi or someone pack the two of them. Oh, your friends bought two. Madam, how many? $17. Pack it for them.
And that was $17,000.
No, my dear.
I was there.
You pack your hand. No, the issue is this movie opens, like, let me tell you, men spend on what they value. If a man that is single sees the wife and he has the money, I'm telling you, he doesn't need a prophet to tell her or to tell him that you need to spend on what you
There's
value.
also something
You
we're
value your body.
forgetting.
You buy designers for it.
There's something we're saying. You mentioned, because I was listening, and you said that the girl was rich. Yeah, let's have the real conversation
Yes,
right
yes.
now.
Yeah, the two complete.
Let's have this conversation right now.
No.
You must be at the place that you are trying to go.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
First things first. This is not broke people's.
Broke
people's street, kind of.
I want it to
Do
be
you
that
understand?
she love.
First of all, we're talking about people who are living life at a certain class.
Yes, they have class.
There's a place where they are, right?
Fine.
So I'm not expecting, because you even went as far as you were detailed. You mentioned how much she made, right? How many women makes that kind of money? Yes, women make that kind of money here, but how many women in our country right now can say that if you beat me roughly, I will make 700K in a month. That's on a bad month. Bad month.
On a bad
it's
month,
not the good month.
700K.
700.
The girl come up alias
Yeah.
here. That 70,000 is steady income. There's nothing like steady income. But in my perfume business, on a very bad month, I make 1.8 million.
Okay, that was the 1.8 is on a bad month.
On a very bad
If
month.
they're gonna kiss
Then
that's
the
like-
man
that's
West-
like
the
2.5.
man Western maybe
2.5.
guy resign, because if you put the kind of energy you're putting in this job into your business, my dear, you're getting triple of that 1.8 million.
No, my sister, that one is what they called washing. That was him trying to
No.
wash her.
You
Because
are washing.
No.
because let me tell you,
No,
in
no.
reality, no rich man would have done that with a broke girl. That's the first thing that we're forgetting
No,
to
but
talk
in
about.
this class now, we're not talking about broke people again. Broke people ain't want space. I'm
No,
sorry.
what I'm saying,
but-
it's in the comparison, because what brought me here is a comparison about this and people who have normal lives, right? I'm here for the streets normally.
Okay, no, me, I'm here for the people who has the class.
I am here for the streets.
People who have the
People who
class.
have the class don't have these conversations because they're actually doing it. It's not like it's
No,
it's something.
no, you
They're
know
not
people-
inspired by Odogu Bubu. No,
No,
it's
actually.
happening.
No,
You
the
know.
issue is that a lot of people think this doesn't happen in real life. I have two friends who I have been trying to convince for 2 days that because you're not there, you don't know Onitsha, Nima Onitsha.
Oh, yeah, but they still.
You know, when say don't worry, nigga half upon them for Odogwu Onitsha. If you Igbo man, you say, my album will conky Igbo, give up a conky Igbo, and I'm a Igbo man, I'm not a business.
All depend the Igbo man in the
But Igbo man vary. Now, if you go to this man, the man all gas.
Wait, okay.
Man on you mafia English, yeah, the Rochas is so polished.
Okay, wait. So from our conversation so far, we've identified, we've all agreed on some certain things. I'll be itemizing them as we go. So I see some messages coming in, and they're saying, "Whoa, they love the conversation."
Why would you
They're
love it?
saying they're saying I should buy yogurt for you people, but I'll not buy it.
It's this kind of thing that me I don't used to like normally on a very good day.
Why
This
would you
kind-
tell us they asked you to buy your?
No,
Then you
can't
now
just
say you
keep
won't
the
buy.
information?
Okay, I will not buy it today, but I'll buy it. I will not buy it
This
today.
kind
but
thing
I'll
now
buy it.
wetin dey make person wait for person outside.
And I'm telling you.
Forget.
Ah, God, I beg.
You understand? Now this kind thing, people.
Send me work. If Naya from Ugaji, you're the one that said this, please buy fresh yogurt for them. Come, me and you, we have to come. We need to say.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay, so I just want to itemize this thing so that anyone who is listening in can actually flow and actually take home some things. First off, we've all agreed that we should separate. Wait, good. So we should separate. The movie is the movie. Reality is reality. We've also agreed that the movie sometimes reflects people's actual reality.
Life, yeah.
But you should be wise enough to identify your own place and know whether it applies to you before you start adopting those things and go and start
Before
stressing
you go and
somebody.
pursue all your future prospects.
Good. Another thing we have also agreed on, or we've also taken note of, is the fact that there are some things that should actually, if you're actually looking to experience the kind of life that Chioma, she has her name in the movie,
Yeah.
Get to working.
experience. Yes, please, at least become the Chioma first.
Get to working.
You know how much she works?
Become the Chioma first. Averagely, in a month, she averages about 2.5
No, you
million.
have yes.
Right?
She did work. Work is day. There's
2.5
nothing.
million.
It's not
And
coming.
then, when she brings deals and it goes through clicks, she gets commission.
Yeah, so
it's not
so
just
we're saying
her
bad,
monthly
we're
number,
saying,
her
we're
monthly
saying bad
income.
as bad 2.5.
Okay.
That's the minimum.
Me,
So
sef, I
that's
don't even care how much weight they make.
But
My own
at
be
least-
say, share that table, but make it no empty.
Exactly.
Carry something
So,
come.
yes.
So
Carry
that-
something come the table.
nice. So that's what another thing we've noted, and we've also gone on to note that there are guys that are ready to go after what they want and put anything on the table so as to win you over, as long as you're the kind of person that they want. Because from that movie, he actually wanted the lady. And he
Yeah, now that particular one, I be the problem, because at the end of the day, most women
Yeah.
would follow the men that they like, the men that they want, which is the actual story that nobody wants to learn from what's going on.
That's true.
Right? She came out of her comfort zone.
She did.
She did. She stepped out because then when they say, how can Jay-Z marry Beyonce? He's looking somehow. That's exactly what they're telling you. These are the reasons why these women go the other way. It's not about fancy life. It's not about the money. They are going to where there is some integrity, some respect.
Yeah.
You know, that part where the man took the call of her boss.
Yes.
And I started yelling.
And
That's how you marry.
for
That's
her.
how you marry.
Yeah.
You know, the whole money thing, yes, they give people when they know. If not be person promise person Lambo.
Exactly.
As they don't give the Lambo, another
She
person
don't-
buy am.
it don't-
Calm down. My
Exactly.
point is this: if it's about the materials are always there.
Will
Why
always
do you
be
think
there.
they're getting BBLs and doing all of
It
this
will always be
material?
there.
They fly around.
Material
But
be-
the point is, the lesson was for women who think that they are at a certain way, or they have certain lives. It's the idea that at that level you can still find something. It might not be in the
Something good.
outfit you like.
Something of value.
It might not be in the skin you
Yeah.
like,
With
because
the-
that's
with the-
usually
with
the problem.
with the thick
No,
Igbo
it
accent
might not
and
be
everything.
the slang
No,
that
she
you
doesn't.
like.
Let me tell you,
You know?
from the movie, the problem she doesn't have problem with Uzo. She has problem with Uzo looking like the father.
Her father.
Ati,
Yes, her
Uzo
father was a
represented
complete-
a man that was not in her taste.
Exactly.
No.
The man was not in her
no.
taste.
In the movie, she said that her friends came to Uzo to tell him that the reason why my friend is withdrawing is because you look exactly like her father. You speak exactly
You're saying
like
the
the
same
father.
thing.
No.
You both are saying the same thing. Her father was her father the kind of man that she was into.
That's the thing. She
The reason
wasn't
why is
into her
because
father.
the father maltreated the mom.
You are still saying
It's
the
the same
same
thing we're
thing.
saying.
It's not the kind of man she wants.
Yeah, like he's
That
not
is
my
not the
spec.
picture of
Like
the
Toby
man.
has said
Like when
the
she's
same
in
I
her
just feel-
dreams,
I just
when
feel-
she's in her memories thinking about man.
She
They know they
doesn't
come in that.
picture-
They know
she
they
doesn't-
come like
she
that. It's
doesn't
not be how you
picture-
dey see am.
she
Thank you.
doesn't picture
But
the odogwu.
now she has had to look beyond. This is where I'm talking about.
Yeah.
She's had to look beyond
the physical
her
appearance and
her
the specs.
imaginations,
Yeah.
her wants,
She must be
and the
6
things
feet.
she thinks she wants.
Eh.
So she looked beyond those and now had to see the uzo, the man that was inside that packaging, inside that bad English, inside that trauma that the man was reminding her of. She had to deal with it. And that's where I think the lesson for most women is. The trauma that most of us have picked up when we're young, we picked up from the men in our lives, we picked up from our fathers, our brothers. We went to school. You went to university in Nigeria, Abi? He'll be traumatized. When you went to university in Nigeria, he'll be very, very traumatized. He went to a serious trauma problem. And let me tell you, and that's why you see a lot of misdemeanor, a lot of confused women out there. A lot of us are very confused. So, but that mistake, all of that is what this girl, by dating this man, took time to heal that trauma, whatever it was she experienced at home with her father. Now she met a man whom, if she did not look beyond her own problems, she wouldn't have seen all the wonderful things about that guy. It would have just been, I don't like him.
She saw the wonderful things that came with the man, but she just wants to be the one spending on men, so that men will not take her for granted, just like the father took her mom for granted.
And that was the protective shield. It was
it's
a defense mechanism.
Like, if you don't give me money, you don't get to disrespect me.
Exactly.
Listen, a lot of women are married on that note.
They're doing it.
A lot of women married men that they are the ones who take care of, because if you ask them, they do not want a situation whereby na the man go come they pay, come they
disrespect.
Not true.
Exactly.
Now, like I said, this thing na trauma.
It's trauma.
So let's talk about the trauma that most women have carried along that made it very bad for women to choose men. But the problem, most women, we don't know how to choose men.
I think women, actually,
right?
if you
we don't know how to choose.
I don't know, but I feel all this trauma, being traumatized thing, it's not easy for anybody.
Don't worry. You see this trauma, this thing. We'll go on a quick break. And we'll come back and enter the trauma proper. You feel me?
I don't want the trauma. But how you go university for the country, shall you be woman?
Definitely.
My sister.
No,
you go need
therapist.
You need therapist. I tell you.
Unfortunately, this country has prepared anybody. What a therapist you need. For the school self will get you traumatized.
I'm not teach people that thing. People they commit suicide for this country. People don't talk like that. People need therapy. People need therapy.
Just hold on. I got this message from Favor. Favor is a barrister. She says she's announcing now that it's Favor. So culturize. And it basically means let's wait. George wants to step out.
Okay.
Let's go on a quick music break right now. I will see you after this one.